In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Trimming is one of those everyday tools in AutoCAD that makes your drawings clean and precise. I'll walk you through the process clearly and explain what each action does so you understand not just how, but why. Begin by activating the trim command. You do this by typing trim into the command line and pressing enter. You'll see prompts in the command area that guide the next steps. That's where AutoCAD asks you which objects will act as the boundaries for trimming. Next, you'll select the objects that will function as cutting edges, sometimes called boundaries. These are the lines, arcs, or polylines that will define where other geometry gets cut off. Click each boundary object to include it in the selection, and when you're done, press enter. Selecting boundaries first gives you control over which elements remain fixed while other parts are removed. Now move to the geometry you want to clean up. Click on the portions of other objects that you want to remove. When you click, AutoCAD trims away the segments that intersect with your selected boundaries, leaving the parts that lie on the desired side. Work methodically and zoom in when needed to ensure you click the correct segment. A close view helps prevent accidental trims. If a click doesn't remove anything, it usually means the clicked segment isn't intersecting the active boundary set, so double-check your boundaries and snaps. When you've finished removing all unwanted parts, press enter again to exit the trim command. That final enter ends the command and returns you to the regular cursor, ready for the next operation. A few practical tips to make trimming faster and more reliable. Choose clean boundary objects that extend beyond the area you're trimming, so intersections are unambiguous. Use object snaps and zoom controls to accurately target small segments. If you're working with overlapping or complex geometry, take your time selecting boundaries and verifying each trim before moving on. Practicing this sequence a few times in a simple drawing will build speed and confidence. That's the trim workflow in AutoCAD. Type trim and enter, select cutting edges and enter. Click the parts to remove, then press enter to finish. With these steps and a little attention to selection, you'll keep your drawings tidy and accurate.